In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord mobile. So the first thing we need to do is go and load up the Discord app, click on your profile icon in the bottom right-hand side, and then click on the settings bar in the top right. You could then select Account, and now scroll down and click on Enable Authenticator app. Now, before you can do this, you will need an authentication app already installed on your phone. So this can either be Authy or also Google Authenticator as well. So I already have this, so I'm going to press Next. And now you'll find your two-factor authentication code. Click on the copy button and then press Next. You then need to head over to your home screen and you need to open up your authentication app. Now, once you're on your app, go and click on Add a Code, click on Enter a Setup Key, and then for the account name, call this Discord, and then you need to go and paste in your key. You can then click on Add, and now we'll be given this 6-digit code that we'll need to go and enter in Discord. So just go and click on this to copy the code, and then you can paste that into the Discord app, and finally, you'll need to enter your password. So that's how to enable 2FA on your Discord account. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.